morning, students. I, Soumya Bhatia, PGT Geography, City Vocational Public School. Today, we are going to study about the major physiographical divisions of India. India is a quite diverse country. There are majorly 6 physiographical divisions that we can see in India. The Himalayan mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plains, the island and the Indian desert. Now let's go a deep study about each physiographical division. The first and the primarily most important physiographical division is the Himalayas. Himalayas serve as the barrier for our countries from the neighboring countries. There are the Himalayas on the basis of longitudinal can be divided into 3 subdivisions. The Great Himalayas, also known as Himadri, the Lesser Himalayas, also known as the Himachal, and the Shivaliks, the outermost Himalayas. Now let's study about the Great Plains or the Northern Plains of India. The Northern Plains of India is a densely populated region of the country, and it is majorly formed by the 3 major river systems, the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. The Great Plains or the Northern Plains are divided into 4 sections: Bhabar, Tarai, Khadar and Bhangar. Now let's study about the Peninsular Plateau of India. The Peninsular Plateau of India is the southernmost region of the country. The Peninsular Plateau of India is divided into 2 parts, the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. The coastal plains. As we all know, India has a very long coastline and is covered by sea from the 3 sides. The coastal plains of India. Basically, there are 2 coastal plains, the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains of our country. Now let's study about the islands. India has 2 major groups of islands, Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Island in Arabian Sea. And the last and most important physiographical feature, the Indian desert, which is also known as Marusthali. And do you know why it is known as Marusthali? Because during the Mesozoic era, it was believed that the Indian desert was submerged into the sea. Thank you all for listening to me.